I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 41 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is a list of a few ingredients from a favorite recipe. And I've got this old recipe I did way back in the 80s. A green bean casserole, and the sauce is probably what the ingredients I'm going to use for that. We need a list of a few, we need something found in your bag or purse. I've got this candy wrapper. Something mechanical. I've got this guy, that's got those, something on his eyes. It's hard to, but I figured that was mechanical. This came from my sticker book. Something that looks like a secret code. This also came from my sticker book, and I just glued it down onto paper because they don't stick very well, and that way I can kind of place it where I want. And a house. I've got this little haunted house. And the bonus is a key, and I've got this key right here. So I hope everybody's doing great. Without further ado, let's get started. Well, I'm doing good. I cannot complain at all. So let's see what we're going to do with this. Now, I think I'm going to use this and kind of make it my pathway. And just kind of tuck it down like that. Get it as high as I can. That looks pretty good. Not a whole lot going on here. We've got weather. It's supposed to be warm for October, they said. But it said cooler air's on its way, so we can only hope. I feel awful about what's happened in Florida and Tennessee, Georgia, and North Carolina, and anywhere else that it hit. Okay. So I am going to glue this around the edge because the doors and the windows open. So I'm just going to go around the edge and see what we can put inside those doors and windows. I'm still reading that Christian romance. I can't remember the name. I'm terrible with names. I hate that I'm like that. But I am reading that. And we are still watching Burn Notice, and we really like that. I think we're on, gosh, I want to say, I don't know, season 4, 5, or 6. It goes fast. Okay, now, let's see what else we have. We got this. I think I'm going to tuck up here. I really don't have anywhere else to put it. I'm also watching The Mentalist. I love that show. I've watched it a couple of times. I have the DVDs, but now I'm streaming it. I like being able to stream. Okay, I'm going to tuck him inside this window. When you open the window, you can see him. And I think my wrapper, I'm going to glue it down. And hopefully I can punch it out. I don't know if I'll be able to do that. But I'm going to go ahead and glue it down and hopefully give the glue a minute to dry. It doesn't have to stay on the paper. I just need something to make it thick enough to punch. Okay, let that dry a minute. See, I have got my ingredients, bag or purse, mechanical, secret code, house, and I need my key. So let's see what we have here. I'm thinking this just so happened to be a tab. So I think I'm going to just cover that. And, oops, kept the wrong piece. Let's see. I may want to do Fabri-Tac, but hopefully this will work. I made journal covers yesterday, and using the Fabri-Tac, boy, I was peeling that stuff off my fingers for a while. Hold on now. So let that dry. Okay, let's see if I can punch. Oh no. My big punch. You lose a big punch. I'll be right back. I found it where it should be, and I remember why I put it up, because it doesn't punch very well. But I did get this punched out, and I took the paper back off. Thankfully, I was able to do that. And I'm going to make this my moon. Okay. And now I need to get an eyelet and my crocodile. Okay. I'm not doing a very good job of keeping my act together, but at least with editing, you don't have to worry so much about it. So I'm just gonna punch a hole there, trim that off, and add in my eyelet. I'm gonna do purple since there's some purple on that page. Okay. And now I can just add my key. Gotta have an old key for a spooky house. There we go. All right, now let's see what else. We've got everything, because I have got my list of ingredients, something found in my bag or purse, something mechanical, something that looks like a secret code, a house, and a key. So now it's just embellish. I got these cute things. I think that's going to be too big. Got these stickers. That's cute. Maybe add a bat. Okay, something. Well, here's Frankenstein, a little bit smaller. It's fun to use these. I don't do Halloween. That's just not. But I do think these are adorable. So I hope Halloween is not something we celebrate, but gotta give credit where credit's due. They're cute as they can be. And something up here. Let's see if I got anything. Oh, it's too big. All right. That there. That there. Cute. All right. Well, I've named everything. Got my little windows and stuff done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. May add some stickers and stuff to this as well. Use them up since I don't really do a lot. I'm doing a fall book that's got a few spooky things in there, but like I said, we don't celebrate Halloween, but these were so cute, and I had gotten them real cheap, I think from Tuesday morning. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. And until next time. Oh, be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2024CW41 to see what everyone else has made. So until next time, bye y'all.